Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so what I want to share with you in this video is the silver and gold market update. We are continuing to get a very weak pullback, and guys, if you've been listening to my videos for the last month, I've been saying don't rush it, don't force it, don't FOMO into the market. And some people have been saying, no, you're going to miss out. Quickly get in. No, you're going to miss out. They're the people that are just running based on emotion. Don't trade based on emotion, guys, okay? Oh, quick. Okay, like even today, right? Even as I'm actually doing this recording, or should I say last week, you know, there was a time there where I actually went and get a trade and I was rushing, quick. The market's about to close. I've got to get in. And I said, no, I'm not trading. I'm going to do my analysis later on. And then we'll see what happens from there. But when we're looking at this market here, okay, we're starting to get this lower high. This is the very first lower high. We had a bit of a double bottom. So we're seeing the sellers coming in here, okay? Even though we get this lower high and we're starting to break this low through here, I would not be too surprised. This is the silver market. I would not be too surprised. Even if we did start to see a sell-off through here, that's probably likely to be very short-lived. Now, for you guys that are looking to short silver right now, guys, be smart, right? Because look at that weekly chart. The weekly chart is king. What is that weekly chart telling us? Look at the weekly chart, right? We just had a big move up. So yes, we're due for some sort of a pullback like here, right? And for you guys, again, if you've been watching my videos for the last month, you've been knowing I've been saying, we're due for a pullback. We're due for a pullback, a sideways movement or a pullback, you know, to refuel again. And that's what we're getting right now. So any movement on the downside, lower highs and stuff like that on the daily chart, is probably likely to be short-lived before we see that. Now, this pullback may last maybe another month or two before we actually continue up, because we had a big move up. And that's the same for the gold market as well too, okay? You know, there's a bit of a head and shoulder formation here forming in gold, right? We ran up, it's forming a bit of a head and shoulder, we're going sideways. Again, nothing happening here. It's, you know, the market's due for a pullback. Silver and gold, you know, pullback is happening. It's happening right now in the short term. That's what I expected. And now, but once again, by looking at the weekly chart, what do we see here on the weekly chart? We see what? We see that it's just going sideways for a little bit. It's just what we expect. And again, guys, if you've watched my videos over the last couple of months, you would know that you would understand the process, okay? So of the flow of the markets, and this is just what to expect. This is to be expected, and maybe we've got another. We've had pretty much a month and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Pretty much, yeah, a month and a half, almost 2 months worth of sideways movement. It may have another month or two of sideways movement before we refuel, right? Because we had, look at this here, right? Pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so we pretty much had maybe 4 or 6 months of sideways movement. Then it was ready to go for a big move. Maybe we need a lot more movement, sideways movement here, a bit more of a pullback, even down through here somewhere, 1400 maybe, before it goes for another run in the market. So guys, do not FOMO into markets. Don't FOMO into anything in the markets. The worst thing that you can do as a trader or even an investor is get so excited because something is making big moves and you're fearful of missing out. So you jump into something. When you do that, guys, I guarantee you are almost picking the top of the markets. And that's when the market sells off, you get stopped out, and a month later, it's running back up to new highs again. It's just what the market does, right? It gets people in. It's called a sucker rally for a reason. And I'll give you a really good example. I know some people got smashed by this. I try to tell people not to get involved with it, but anyway. So look at this here, right? So silver, and look at this is the silver market, right? Ran up, came up, and look there, bam, right? And everyone's, oh, hi-ho silver, away, yes, it's taken off, here we go, hi-ho silver, la, baba, BB. All right, and I'm like, no, this is a sucker rally. I guarantee so many people like, oh, I'm missing out. It's been going up, I'm missing out. Everyone gets long here, and oh shit, it pulls back. And now they're holding on, hoping, and now it's pulling back even more. Oh my goodness, I bought it up the top here, it's now selling off. I thought this was going to be the next bull market. What they don't understand is how the markets work, is how they flow, and then they pull back. They flow, and then they pull back. All right, or they flow and then they go sideways for a while, and then they continue up again. Right, so a bull market doesn't simply mean up every day or up every week. So now I guarantee you the people that are getting long up here because I got so excited, oh my goodness, I gotta miss that, I better get in now, quick, 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 quick. And now what's happening? Now they're freaking out. If we start to get this one here, I guarantee you those people up here are going to get stopped out, or they just won't be able to take it anymore because now they're fearful. They'll get out. It may go down a little bit more, and then they'll miss out on the next bull run or the next move up. Okay, because that's how the markets work. So don't chase the markets. Do not chase the markets. The most successful investors do what? Buy the dip and sell the rip, right? It's the whole analogy with investing, even with trading. So if you're looking for an investing position, wait for the big dip on the weekly chart, then buy into it, and then enjoy the rip.